Dinala sa taas ng Paris yung cow, sa Eiffel Tower, tapos nilaglag para malambot.
We're at Papa Jack's
yun.
Oh, hindi. Yung wagyu minamasad
on
sake ang pinapakain doon at saka corn.
Saturday night.
Pinas pa.
Oh,
Pops,
oh.
time check. Time check.
Sabi ko, iibahin ko lahat ng mga news ko. Baka hindi ka marunong magbasa dito.
Oh, sige ma. Hindi ko alam eh. Parang, hindi ko pa nakikita yan.
Hindi pa, pare.
Ano oras yan?
Baliktad, pare. Baliktad.
Hindi ko nakikita.
Baliktad.
Anong oras yan?
It's menos buto bago balat.
8:53 p.m. Oh, sure. Galing ha. Ano yan pare?
This is called the crazy hour. I'll show you.
Oh, hindi.
Tingnan mo,
Teka muna.
Tingnan mo to. Tingnan mo to. Yung traditional na lugar ng mga
This is,
wala dyan, di ba?
Jory Goodman.
Ito, this is 9 o'clock.
Explaining
After
his watch.
9 o'clock, tatalon siya to 10. The 10 is there. Tapos yan, tatalon siya to 11. Tapos yan, tatalon siya to 12.
Tapos tatalon Quezon City na.
Oo. And then tatalon, La Union.
Laan yun.
Then 1 o'clock is there. See, magkaiba yung lugar.
Germany.
Ha? Swiss.
As in, it literally jumps to
Yeah.
the...
That's why this is called the Frank Mueller Crazy Hour.
Oh, Frank Mueller.
Nice. I like.
Love it.
Ganon. Frank Mueller makes strange ang combinations kakaiba. So right now it's
Menos buto bago
What's that?
balat.
yeah, I'm 5 minutes ahead talaga. It's 9 o'clock. Pero yung 9 hindi sa 9 position.
Nasaan?
No, it's here.
Oh.
Mine is here, not
Yes.
here.
Ah.
Pero
So tumatalon
the
Ah.
is the same.
the same.
Okay.
It's just the hour hand.
So before you can
Nice
read
watch, Jory.
before you can read the time, it's past. So when it moves, like if it's 8:30,
Oh. The long hand is in the 6 o'clock position.
mga pangalan.
Luma yan.
Hindi, bago. Tinatanggal ko lahat yung pan.
Huh?
it's so here.
It's sold here.
Kasi,
Frank
kasi puro
Mueller?
bet siyang binibigay sa akin. Nagalit ako eh.
Okay.
You know? Pancit Canton.
This one is
The
called
usual.
it's called the slow. Wala pa.
Tostado. Yun.
Or anything with gold.
This is gold leaf lang yun.
Exactly. No, it makes
First bite. Okay.
even with
Thank you thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Lahat mo lang.
Jory! Jory Goodman, the time teller.
Ikaw yun eh. Hindi mo na sinasabi yun eh. Let's get down to business. That's his tagline eh. It's 9 o'clock in the evening. Let's get down to business. Kay line ni Alan yun eh. Ever since I invited him sa vlog ni watch vlog ni Jory Goodman. I'm Jory Goodman, the time teller. Remember, I did not invent time. I just tell you. Galing. Galing ng tagline talaga. Yeah.
Ay, hindi pa tayo kasama.
Hindi tayo kasama. Ayan na. Lumapit na sa atin.
Okay. Last na to last na.
Huling-huli na.
Sopot baboy.
TMD.
It's 5:28 p.m. on a, ano ngayon? Monday. Araw ng kagitingan. And we're here at Oscars again for the economy. Chicken pasta. Beautiful. Beautiful. Ano pizza to?
Pepperoni.
Yun ah. Look at that. Okay. Samosa. Country waffle. It's 12:53 p.m. Saturday. With my partner in crime. Adobo plate with salted egg. What's this? Country style breakfast? Beautiful. Okay. It's 1:50 p.m. on a Sunday afternoon. What's this? Sweet and sour fish. fish and chips. Robinson's Magnolia. My partner in crime. Ano ito? Bacon and cheese. Oh 8 p.m. Yeah. Oh. Look at that. Rain is coming. Diba rin, doon naman tayo papark sa